Hey there, RV gardeners. Guess where I am today? I'm outside on my deck on this rainy day, planning for my next season's garden. Planning my garden for next season, and I'm going to show you how to plant and prepare some garlic. Come on along. Part 1, garlic prepping. It's October, I'm in zone 7A, and this is the time to put garlic in the ground. And I've never done it before. So a few people out there that garden say that you should soak your cloves in a solution that will help prevent bacterial and fungal diseases when you plant. So we're going to do that today. So on the video that I watched, the gardener actually used seaweed fertilizer. I'm going to use fish fertilizer, 1 quart of water, baking soda, and we have several garlic bulbs. Here we go. So first we are going to separate our cloves. You might want to remove the outer coverage, the very outer coverage, and then just break the cloves off like so. But you want to be careful to leave the white skin on the clove. So I'm just going to break them down like so. I'm going to leave that white skin on this clove. This is a good size clove right here. 18, 20, 22, 20. There's probably about 30, 28 or 30 cloves here that when planted will actually yield 28 or 30 garlic heads. So we're going to take the good ones here. I'm going to look at the ones that are probably most white and probably the larger ones. We are going to soak these in a solution that should help prevent fungal and bacterial problems with our garlic cloves as we plant them in the soil. This should give them a good start. So we're going to take this quart of water. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. See that? And we're also going to add 1 tablespoon of fish fertilizer. I'm just going to mix it up. So here's the solution. And so I have quite a few larger size garlic cloves. I'm going to just drop them all inside the solution, skin on. I'm going to put the top on. Get them in there real good. And I'll just let this sit for 2 hours. So these are the cloves that I didn't use, but these were actually a lot smaller than some of the ones that I put in the solution. We'll take them in the house and we'll use them in a recipe. So I'm just going to take these garlic skins that we peeled off, and I've got a bag out here with kitchen scraps in it and some coffee grinds, and this is all going to go in my compost bin. Part 2, garlic container planting. So there's some holes in the bottom, and I'll drill a few more just to ensure that we have proper drainage. I've lined about the bottom 1/4 inch with compost. Next, I went over to my bin of my potting mixture and I added it on top of the compost. So it was about another maybe 2 inches. So now I just want to make sure that there's no clumps in here. So it's looking pretty pliable there. And so now I'm just going to give this a nice little press down just to compact it a little bit. Make sure there's no air in there. So I'm going to make about 10 holes in this pot. And I hope that I'm not overstuffing it, but we will see. These are the things when you have lessons learned, right? So we're going to try and see how many we can get in here without overcrowding it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pre-make these holes with my finger. So there's 4 on that side. Maybe we can get another 4 or 5 on the other side. So this is where the wheels fell off. Sorry, folks. I lost a clip that I had of planting the garlic cloves. I actually put a little bit of blood meal in each hole and I planted the garlic. Sorry. So at this point, I will top this off with some straw because it's gonna stay outside for the winter. Now these just get a real good water. As you can see, there are 4 planters back there, 3 medium-sized ones and 1 small one on the end. That is all the garlic that I've planted. So if everything goes right, we should have lots of garlic bulbs come maybe June. This planter right here, only 1 did I use the solution of soaking the cloves. I'll mark this one so next spring we'll know which one this one is and if it produced better or not. So there you have it, my friends, our garlic planting. We got it in October and we'll see what happens in the spring. Stay tuned.